Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where keyboard keeps making clicking sound but not typing, then please watch this video. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard. Turn all these three switches off for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys because toggle keys play a sound, the clicking sound that we're talking about. The next solution is to run the keyboard troubleshooter, but the keyboard troubleshooter doesn't exist now, so we will do away with this solution and instead we will reinstall the keyboard driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list, right click on the keyboard driver, select uninstall device, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. Okay. And you can also update it, right click and update the drivers. Do it for all the keyboard drivers on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.